look at Loom, which is a great video recorder. So when you follow the link from our website, it'll take you to this spot. And if you're in the Chrome browser, this is an extension to Chrome. So it's like a plug-in. It only works in Chrome, so you got to be in Chrome. And Chrome is a free Google browser. So I've already installed it. And let's just say, for the sake of argument, I'm over here at our course website, okay? And right up here, it's installed this little icon that says Loom. So I'm going to click on Loom, and you'll notice that I can start recording right away, but there are some things I can do. For example, I can do this screen and cam, which means I'm going to get this whole screen and me over here. I can make myself bigger. I can move myself around actually during the recording. I can hide the menu. I'll make myself smaller again. If I want to do screen only, I'm just going to click up here and go screen only, and notice that goes away. Or I could just do a webcam of myself, in which case the only thing I'm going to get is that, and it'll be big and square. Okay? But I'm going to do screen and cam. Here I've got a choice of doing full desktop or the current tab, which is this particular one here at EdTech Methods. So I'm going to click full desktop, screen and cam. I'm going to go start recording. I could choose the entire screen, which I'm going to do, and then I click share, which is what they call the start of recording. So now I'm on Loom, and I'm doing my thing, and I'm demonstrating something or other, and I'm going around here. Okay, now I'm going to go up here to stop Loom, to stop my recording, and you'll see that I've stopped it right here. And at this point, I basically have a Loom recording at this particular link right there. Now it defaults to whatever page I was on. So add a link to the page you recorded on if I want to change that or make it a different page. I could do that. I could download it here to save it. I could actually get in and edit it and take some sections out, and I could cut a section and go publish changes, and little Luna, this dog, edits it. But the thing we want to do for our purpose is we want to get an embed code for it. So we're going to click right here, and we're going to do a Control C and copy that, and then over here I'm just going to paste it so I have it, because I'm going to use that a little bit later on when I show you how to do an embed. So this is Loom. The other kind of cool thing that you could do with it is you could just send it as a link to somebody. You could email it if you wanted to post it to your Twitter, Facebook, or something like that. So it's pretty quick and easy, and it also does some other things, like people can comment on your site or on your video. Lastly, you can do video permissions, and if you wanted, you should just leave it as anyone with a link, but you could set it up with a password if you wanted to. Okay, so that was Loom.